So when I started to introduce my little lady, Megan, to the flavors of India, I created Rani chicken fingers. This recipe is a kid-friendly riff on the classic chicken 65 created at the Bahari Hotel in India. Here I have beaten egg whites. I'm adding turmeric, garam masala, ginger root and garlic puree, lemon zest and juice, and salt and pepper. I'm going to whisk together this mix and pour over the chicken. This is going to marinate the chicken, and when dusted with our breading, will create a light, crispy, almost like a tempura texture. Cover and let refrigerate no more than 1 hour. The breading is simple. 3 tablespoons each of cornstarch. That's going to slow down our caramelization process. Rice flour, that adds crispiness, and all-purpose flour, which provides a structure as well as binds everything together. Give that a mix and sprinkle over the chicken. Now you want to reserve about 3 tablespoons. You're going to need that later because as this sits, it can get a little wet and a little sticky. Fry in batches for 6 to 8 minutes. Every chicken finger needs a sauce, right? I make a red pepper ketchup. It's familiar enough that the kids will try it. They love it, and yours will too. Jarred roasted red pepper, tomato paste, water, vinegar, granulated sugar, salt and pepper. Rani's chicken fingers. Make them tonight. Yummo.